that. Where are you guys at?
Where's everybody at? Ready to roll?
Is there if you get a couple guys east of PetSmart and pull in, it'd be ideal on that side, the east side.
I'm coming from the Lowe's.
Okay, you guys are ready. Let's go.
From Lowe's and someone coming from 349. We got guys right at 12 South and Main, which is just behind.
Let's go ahead and go.
Go side.
Hands, right on! Yeah, show me your hand! Show me your hand! Show me your hand! Show me your hand! Hands up! Hands up! Hands up! Show me your hands! Here, watch this window! Watch this window! Show me your hands!
Roll back. Shots fired.
Give me the...
Get on. Good. Go.
Take this.
Stop resisting!
Oh my god!
Roll back, Skillet.
My phone is here.
Get away, we need medics.
Copy medic.
Go on. Can you have BB come out here? Is he shot?
Yeah.
Get him in the car. Let's go to the hospital.
Car?
Car now.
Let's go.
3-1, can you confirm the location?
Come on, we gotta go.
Let's go. Let's go. Where's your car? My truck. Let's go.
Let's go.
Hey, I need help on the parkway. Get in the truck. Get in the truck. Get in.
Summit. Here, bust this window out. There's a cop in there.